Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make U major on KineMaster. So first, you can just open the KineMaster applications on your phone and then add the videos. So this is just an example. I'm going to just use this videos right here. Transcode it first. Okay, so once it's done, you can just close this, or let's just go back, click on the video, click on layer, go to effect, and then scroll down until you find the color inversions effect. Okay, this one's right here. Apply it to your clip and adjust the duration so that it match, and don't forget to adjust so that the effects apply to all parts of the video, just like this. Okay, if you want to, you can add also add audio, and this is also optional. You can add some mirror effects to the clip by clicking on the clip and scroll down, tap on rotate and mirroring, and tap on this one like this, and you are done. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.